What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna build electric motor spacers. This is a white plastic part that basically laying between motor and frame. Just disable this. This is really simple part, spacer. I'm gonna use a white plastic for that, and I'm going to CNC this detail basically. I already created a cam for this CNC machining. Let me just straight up for you. The plastic is easy to work in with, so basically it shouldn't take so much time to cut this thing out. I create 4 tabs for this, and then at the end I'm gonna cut those tabs and remove the detail from the rest of the plastic part. Now I'm gonna get started and do CNC work. Okay, first I'm going to load the Gcode for a prop spacer. There you go. Here's the drawing, so it's gonna cut out the circle and then 4 holes for bolts. So that's going to be a spacer, and yeah, that's pretty much it with the Gcode. Now I gonna set up 0 coordinates and gonna get started CNC work. Alright guys, I'm happy with the result. I got 4 spacers for electric motors, for drone motors, so it's looking good to me, and I like to work with plastic material because it's easy to cut versus aluminum on my machine. So anyway, it's looking good to me, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, I'm gonna remove this plastic plate, and I'm going to cut off those pieces from the rest of the material. Looking good. Alright, I got the 4 spacers, looking good.